Hi, today I'm gonna share with you how we can set up Ga4 e-commerce tracking step by step. Ga4 e-commerce tracking is a game changer. It provides deep insights into customer behavior, purchase patterns, and conversion patterns, all essential for marketing data-driven decisions. Let's get started and unlock the full power of e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics 4. At first, we need to connect Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4 with our website. I already created the Google Tag Manager account and Google Analytics account. Now I need to connect. So going to my website dashboard, for connecting Google Tag Manager, I will use plugin. The plugin name is GTM4WP. This on install, active plugin settings. We need to put here the Tag Manager ID. This is the ID. Paste it over here. And don't forget to on the container code. Okay. Save changes and integration. eCommerce. Click on here. This one. This one. And this one. And save. Now we will check this GTM is connected with our website or not. For checking this, we can apply two methods. First one is click on preview, and the second one is through the Chrome extension. Okay, at first you can connect it. You click on this extension and enable and reload the page. You can see here it's already connected. So view a product. Okay, so you can see everything is coming. Then we need to connect this Google Analytics 4 with our website. Data stream. At first admin, then data stream. Then copy the measurement ID. Create a variable. We will create a constant variable. And save. Now we need to set up the tags, triggers, and variable. For this, you can follow the recommendation of Google. Now I need to create tag, trigger, and variables. So I can follow this doc. Obviously, it will be data layer variable. Actually, they are the recommended parameters or variable, but if you want, then you can send any other variable or any other parameters. It totally depends on you. So the variable has been created down. It now triggers. So trigger is done. Now tag. At first we need to connect Google Analytics 4 with our website. For this we need to create new tag in Google Analytics, then Google tag. Then here we need to put the measurement ID. We already created a measurement ID constant variable. Okay. So now trigger. The trigger will be all pages or initialization all page. Then click on save. Save. Now our Google Analytics 4 is already connected. The new Google Analytics 4 Ga4 event. Again, we need to put the measurement ID here. Then the interface. Then event parameters. They are the parameters of view item. This is the value. You can now trigger and its view item. Fine. The tag name. Save. Now we can copy it easily. Copy. Also, we need to change it. The parameters are same. You can see here. The trigger will be changed. This is the October trigger and save. Again, we can copy it. So now we need to change the trigger and save. Again, we can copy it. Can copy the event name from here and paste it over here. And now we need to add some parameters here. Transaction ID, coupon, and now text. Okay, fine. Now we need to change the trigger. The trigger will be purchase. Then save. Our tag triggers and variable setup done. Now we need to check the tags or event going perfectly or not. For this, we can submit it. At a time, we need to view admin and then debug view. Now we can preview it. Okay, it's connected. Now we can view a product. Okay, so the view item tag is fired. Okay, now we can go the variable section. The currency is USD and the value is 15. Yes, now we can click on add to cart. Add to cart event is fired. View cart. And then check out. Checkout event is also fired. Now we can make a purchase. Okay, purchase is done. So the total value is 30 and the item name is hand sanitizer. Going to purchase event and the variable. Okay, the item name is hand sanitizer, quantity 2. Okay, find the value number 30. So now we can go to Google Analytics tool. This debug view. And we can see here the every tag is fired. Like this is a purchase and currency USD. Tax. There is no tax, no shipping. This is the transaction ID 5242. Then items. We have got 2 hand sanitizer. That's why the quantity is 2. Total value is 30. Okay. And this is our begin checkout. Add to cart. View item. Yes, everything is working fine. If you find this video valuable, then don't forget to like, comment and share. So this is all for today. See you again.